Hello and welcome back to my channel. So guys, today I'm going to show you how I made this yummy green smoothie packed and filled with fruits and veggies. Guys, this green smoothie is so nice that it will keep you filled all the day. You can have it as your breakfast and it will give you all the energy that you need and give your skin that glow. Okay guys, I'm not going to rant too much, just stick by and watch this recipe. So guys, here are the ingredients I'm going to use today to make my delicious green smoothie. As you can see over here, I have my Greek yogurt, my creamy natural Greek yogurt. I have one orange, I have one avocado, and my baby spinach. So guys, these are the 4 ingredients I'm going to use today to make my power-filled orange, oh my god, green smoothie. Okay, so as you can see, I have squeezed my orange and I have my orange juice. So guys, that's not just one orange there, I did add like 2 more orange to get the juice. Okay, so I have washed my baby spinach and I'm just going to put them in my smoothie cup. So I'm going to add my avocado, I almost forgot my green. So I'm going to add 2 spoons of my Greek yogurt. And I'm going to blend until it's perfectly smooth, guys. As you can see, it's almost ready. So that's it, my smoothie is ready and it's perfectly smooth and creamy. It tastes so nice, guys. If you like, you can add a teaspoon of honey, but I prefer it like this. So guys, if you love this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and please don't forget to smash on that red button that says subscribe, as it's totally free, and subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell so you know when I post new video. Thank you and see you on my next video.